Welcome back to Auto Saga. Looking for the definition of modern luxury fused with cutting-edge innovation? The 2025 BMW 7 Series is here to blow your expectations out of the water. It's not just a car, it's a rolling statement of elegance, power, and futuristic tech that commands attention wherever it goes. The first thing you notice is the design. The 2025 7 Series is bold, confident, and unapologetically premium. That massive kidney grille is flanked by split-led headlamps that give it a sleek, almost sci-fi edge. The long wheelbase and sculpted body lines create a commanding silhouette, while subtle chrome details and flush door handles add a level of sophistication that screams class. Whether it's parked or in motion, the 7 Series owns every inch of the road. Inside, BMW has crafted what feels like a private jet on wheels. Step into the cabin and you're surrounded by the finest materials, plush leather, crystal controls, and customizable ambient lighting. The curved dual-screen setup stretches across the dashboard, combining a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster with a stunning 14.9-inch infotainment display. It's sleek, intuitive, and feels like stepping into the future. And if you're sitting in the rear seats, that's where the magic really happens. Optional features like the 31-inch rear theater screen and reclining seats with massage and ventilation turn every journey into a luxury experience. Performance-wise, the 2025 7 Series offers a range of powertrains to suit every driving style. You've got the refined 740i with its turbocharged inline-6 and the more powerful 760i drive with a V8 under the hood. Both deliver smooth, confident acceleration and a ride that feels like gliding on air. BMW's adaptive suspension and rear-wheel steering give you precise handling and comfort. Whether you're cruising the highway or navigating tight city streets, safety is no afterthought here. BMW has packed the 7 Series with its latest driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a host of smart sensors that watch every angle around the vehicle. It's not just about protecting you, it's about anticipating what's ahead. Now let's talk price. The 2025 BMW 7 Series starts at around $96,000 for the 740i, and if you're looking for the fully loaded 760i drive with all the bells and whistles, you could be looking at closer to $120,000 or more. But what you get isn't just a car, it's a luxury experience engineered to perfection. If you're into cars that blend elegance with power, tech with comfort, and make a lasting impression, the BMW 7 Series should absolutely be on your radar. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss an update on the latest luxury rides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.